This is what you need to do to fix Outlook if it is not working or freezing. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to Gettoknowit. This video shows you 2 ways to fix Outlook if it is not opening or always freezing. Well, the first thing you need to do is to open Outlook in safe mode. This will make Outlook to open without the add-ins and other less important files which might be hindering you from opening Outlook. You're asking how you can do this? Let me show you. In this video, I'll share with you 2 ways that you can use to open Outlook in safe mode. Well, the first way to open Outlook in safe mode is using a keyboard key. So to be able to do that, open the Windows search and search for Outlook. Outlook should appear as the best match. Hold the Control key on the keyboard. Place the Outlook up while still holding the Control keyboard button. And you should see this message where Outlook is asking you if you want to start Outlook in safe mode. And in this case, you just come and say yes. So if I just come and say yes there, we should have Outlook open in safe mode. So just come and say OK there, and you're going to see Outlook has opened in safe mode, as you can see on top here. And now the second method is using a command, and in this case you need to open the Windows Run, and we're going to use a keyboard shortcut, that is a Windows key plus Alt, and then here you just come and type outlook.exe space /safe, and then you hit enter or say OK. So this should have Outlook again open in safe mode. So if I just come and say OK, so we are going to see Outlook open in safe mode. So if in any case your Outlook has started, then it means there could be some add-ins that are making your Outlook not to start, and the best thing to do is to be able to disable them. So to disable all uncheck add-ins in Outlook, you need to head on to File, and then go down here at the bottom and click on Options. The Outlook options should appear, and what we are looking for is the add-ins. So in this list of options, come and click add-ins, and you're going to see some various add-ins here, and we need to again go down here and make sure that we have COM add-ins option selected. Then after that we click on Go, and we are going to see a list of add-ins available, and you're going to notice that some of them are checked. So what you need to do in this case is to uncheck one and then say OK, and then you try to start Outlook, but this time loud, not in safe mode. If Outlook starts, then it means that add-in is the one that is making your Outlook not to open, and hence you need to retain it unchecked, or you need to have it always unchecked. So if Outlook doesn't start, then again you need to open it in safe mode, head on to the add-ons, and then again you try to disable the next add-on, click OK, open again Outlook until Outlook starts. So if Outlook starts, then the previously unchecked add-in was the one that was having or making your Outlook not to start. Now if that method didn't work for you, then you need to reset the Outlook navigation pane settings. So to be able to do that, we're just going to come and close Outlook here, and then again we open Run, and in this case I said we place the Windows logo plus Alt, and here we are going to type a command. So we will type outlook.exe space / and we're going to come and say reset nav pane, and then you just click OK. So what that will do is that it will help fix your problem by resetting the navigation pane settings. It's my hope that one of those methods worked for you. Let me know in the comments below which method worked for you. That's it for this video, and as usual, see you in the next one.